नमस्ते बच्चों, आज गुरुवार है और आज हम थोड़ा रिविजन करेंगे. ओके, एंड today's revision will be about all what we had learned even in the previous year also. जैसे रंगों के नाम and सब्जियों के नाम, फलों के नाम. Shall we revise all that? It will help you when you're going for your entrance exam. And when you're doing that, we will also see the swar. Remember the swar that you had been learning? See, swar, there's just this much of it. There is 13 letters like that. Okay, 13 only are there. And now in Vyanjan you have learned so many more than that. Do you know that? More than 20 you have already learned. So, this 13 is the first thing which they will generally ask you. It's called swar. Okay, we'll just see what are all the swar and what words we can associate with swar. Okay, let's start. First one, what is this? A. What is this? A. A से क्या है? बोलो. A से अनार. Remember? अनार means pomegranate. Then A से अलमारी, अजगर. Do you remember? Yes. So अजगर is snake. अचकन coat. अ से अलमारी, अ से अजगर, अ से अनार, अ से अचकन coat. Okay, that's a. Next, after a, how do I write a? See, just like I'll write it and then one more standing line. A से आम, आलू, आदमी. You see it? आलू, आदमी, आम. So, a. Next, what is this? E. E से इमली, tamarind. Do you remember? E से इमली, E से, you remember what is it? You have to tell me, come on. Inam, then do you remember we learned one word called Indan also? Do you remember that? Indan? Yes, that begins with the sound E. Is it not? Okay. Then E say, what else is there you had learned? Istri. Very good. Okay. Now, next one. E. E. That's all. The same E, you have to give one line like this. E. E say Ishwar. E say Ishwar. Then E say Eek. Eek means Ishwar, you know what is it, no? I hope you all know. Ishwar means God. Then Eek means sugar cane. We use for pongal, right? That purple colored stick like. Yes, sugar cane. Eek. Then we had E say eent, which is brick. The bricks that you use for building houses. Okay. So that is E. Next is U. U say ullu, owl. Okay, U say ullu. Then U say what else? Tell. Ullu. They told U say ullu. Then U say what is this? Can you tell me? Ungli. U say ungli. Ungli means finger. Many other means ungliyan. Ungli. Okay. Then U say Upavan. Garden. Upavan. Garden? Okay. Next one. Ooh. Sorry. Ooh. oo. The same oo. When you draw a line like this, it becomes oo. Oo, say ood billah. Otters, that animals that swim in water, they love to swim in water all the time. Ood billah. Then oo, say oont. Camel. Oont. Okay, then oo, say urja, the energy that you need. Oo, say oon, wool, woolen sweaters. Oon.
Ooper.
Okay, upar jana, upar. Next one is r, r. I'll show you how it is written. Okay, r, r. Standing line. Okay, then r. R say Rishi. Rishi is that person who is, the sage, the saint person who is sitting and meditating. Okay, Rishi. Then Rishab. Rishab is a cow. Okay, a holy cow. Rishab. Then R say Ritu. Ritu means seasons. There are so many seasons, right? Summer, winter, monsoon, autumn. They are called Ritu. 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 Next one. It is A. A. A say ek. Or A say ektara, that instrument which has just one string. So it is called ek hi tar hai usme. That has only one wire going in it with which you will play music. So it is called as ektara. Ektara hai to ektara. Ektara. Then A say, anything else you have to say? AD. Your ankle. Not the ankle, the heel of your feet. Okay, the heel of your feet, under your feet, the corner of your feet is called as AD. So that is A say AD, A say ek, A say ektara. Then you have A. Say A. Say anak. The spectacles that you wear is called as anak. Then say Airavat. That white colored elephant. It is not a real elephant. It is a fictional elephant. It comes in the stories. That is in all these stories about God and all, when they say this elephant comes. Okay, Airavat. It's a white colored elephant. I think it can fly also, no? Yeah, Airavat can fly also. Okay, then next is O. O say oont. O say okhali. Okhali is that pestle, no? Yeah, the pestle in which you will you do the chana pounding. That only, mortar and pestle. That mortar is called as okhali. Channa pounding you use okhali. Okay, O say okhali. Then O say odani, the dupatta that you wear. Okay, that is also called as odani. O say odani. Then next is O. O, please say it as O. Not ow and all. O. As in orange and all. Yeah, like that. O say aurat. Aurat means woman. A lady. Okay. Aurat. Then O say Auzar. The weapons and all you use. No? The instruments or the weapons are called as Auzar. Okay, instruments which you, like, what are the instruments that you use for farming? You will need spade, you need shovel, is it not? the rake, they are all called as औजार. Okay, next one, औ से औषध, medicines. Then ang, it's a nasal sound. Ang से अंगूर. Then ang से अंडा, ang से अंबर, the sky is also called as अंबर. Okay, अंक, numbers, they are all called, the sound for it is ang. Next is aha से, you see that dot coming. Yeah, when you put the dot behind any other letter that you have learned in Vyanjan also, you will say this aha sound at the end of it. Okay, behind any Vyanjan you put, like let's say you've learned ma, last you learned ma, right? So when I say namah, so after ma this aha will come. Namah means namaste. Then punah means to do things repeatedly, again and again and again. Punah likho, try writing again, punah. Then pratah, morning. Pratah comes after ta, pratah. Okay, so there are more words. Shanaiha, to go slowly. So there are so many words for it. You would have made it in your scrapbook. Please try to remember it. Take last year's Bal Prabodhini book and revise all the words which are there in it. At school you had so many words, but at least try to remember what was there in your Bal Prabodhini. Okay. Also in your Aksharmala that you are using now, in the first pages we have not written the A, I, E, E. Okay. I want you to go through and write one line of each. That way you can prepare for your entrance test. Okay. Write one line, say A se anar, A se ananas, A se adrak. Okay, you know it already, you just have to recall all of them. Okay, very good. One more time we'll say a, I, u, r, e, o, ang, aha. Repeat. A, I, u, r, e, it's a, like saying a, you say no, that sound, a, o, as in orange, o, ang, aha, that's all. Good. Now let's try to remember the numbers. You remember song, no? दो भी आया, कितने कपड़े लाए, कितने कपड़े लाए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और बस. Let's revise it one more time. What's this? In Hindi, एक. Repeat with me. एक, दो, दो, तीन, तीन, चार, चार, पाँच, छः, छः, सात, सात, आठ, आठ, नौ, नौ, 10, 10. Okay, you can practice this either by singing the Dhobi song, but randomly also you must be able to say. If I take and show you like this, you must be able to say this is Panch. Okay, like that random you should be able to check and see if you can say random also. You can also sing that other song that we had, no? एक मोटा हाथी घूमने गया, मकड़ी के जाल में जाके वो फंसा. So in that it come दो मोटे हाथी, तीन मोटे हाथी, like that it goes on like that. You can practice that way also singing it, but random also I want you to take cards like this randomly and you must say this is art. Okay, please try to learn the numbers. Don't forget the numbers, it will help you a lot. Then colors, रंगों के नाम. Remember the Ranganna story? About Ranganna, he loved colors, but he himself was black colored elephant or a grey colored elephant, and he loved the colors. So what happened? The two friends who used to play with Ranganna felt sad for Ranganna and brought colors, right? Yes, what colors? Nail polish colors, and colored all the toenails of the elephant. Okay, now we will try and remember the color names in Hindi. I'll show you one by one. You can say. I will tell slowly, but if you can say before me, it's better. What is this? ये कौन सा रंग है? लाल, लाल. ये कौन सा रंग है? नीला, नीला. ये कौन सा रंग है? पीला, पीला. ये कौन सा रंग है? हरा, हरा. कौन सा रंग है? केसरी, केसरी. You can even call it as narangi. Narangi means orange. Okay, the fruit orange also you call it as narangi. कौन सा रंग है ये? गुलाब, गुलाबी रंग. कौन सा रंग है ये? बैंगनी, बैंगनी. It's a brown color if you can't see it. What do you call brown color in Hindi? Bhura, bhura. Like how Anne will say, Coco and Momo. She used to tell na, bhura billi tha. Is it not? Yeah. And then Momo was one. Dhusar chuha. Dhusar. Kala, black, kala. कौन सा रंग? सफेद. Okay, so we have learned the names of colors. Do you want to say one more time? Okay, come on. Lal. Tell before me itself. Neela. Hara. पीला, केसरी और नारंगी, बैंगनी, बैंगनी, गुलाबी, गुलाबी, भूरा, धूसर, काला, सफेद. Okay, you got it? You didn't forget it, no? Okay. I hope you all have your scrapbook, you would have maintained in it, right? You can quickly go through all those things. That's why I told you have one separate book for English, separate book for Hindi if possible. Okay? Okay. Now next we will see फलों के नाम. Okay? Let's see quickly. केला, ये फलों के नाम है. ये कौन सा फल है? केला. सेब, अंगूर, we learned अंग से अंगूर. आम, आ से आम. संतरा, संतरा. अनार, अ से अनार. पपीता, पपीता. तरबूज, तरबूज. अमरूद, it's a guava. अमरूद. अनानस, अनानस. Shall we see them one more time? Okay, we'll go in the reverse order. Ananas, अमरूद, तरबूज, पपीता, अनार, संतरा, आम, अंगूर, सेब, केला. Next we will see सब्जियों के नाम. Sabji means vegetable. Okay. So if you go for the test, if they ask you to recognize any vegetable by their name, please try to remember. Okay. प्याज, प्याज. It ends with a z. प्याज. आलू, आलू. लाल मिर्च, लाल मिर्च. बैंगन, बैंगन. मटर, मटर. फूल गोभी, फूल गोभी. शिमला मिर्च, शिमला मिर्च. भिंडी, भिंडी, टमाटर, टमाटर, गाजर, गाजर, शलगम. Turnips are called as shalgam. Shall we see one more time? Shalgam. You tell. Gajar, टमाटर, भिंडी, शिमला मिर्च, फूल गोभी, मटर, बैंगन, लाल मिर्च, आलू, प्याज. अब हम जानवरों के नाम देखेंगे एंड ये सब जो है, ये जो भी दिखाने जा रही हूँ वो सब पालतू जानवर है. डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स, पालतू, वी टेक केयर ऑफ देम. ओके, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. भेड़, भेड़, घोड़ा, घोड़ा, गधा, गधा, कुत्ता, कुत्ता, खरगोश, खरगोश, बिल्ली, बिल्ली, गाय, गाय, ऊंट, ऊंट, बकरी, बकरी. Let's see one more time. भेड़, घोड़ा, गधा, कुत्ता, खरगोश, बिल्ली, गाय, ऊंट, बकरी. नेक्स्ट we'll see जंगली जानवर. गेंडा, गेंडा, चीता, चीता, हाथी, हाथी, लोमड़ी, लोमड़ी, बाघ, बाघ, शेर, जंगल का राजा, शेर, हिरण, हिरण, बंदर, बंदर. I also told you one more was bhalu, which is bear. Okay, you know bear, bear, no? That's called balu. We'll do one more time revision. गेंडा, चीता, हाथी, लोमड़ी, बाघ, शेर, हिरण, बंदर उल्टा लटका है, बंदर. It doesn't matter if the bandar is like this also, they like to hang upside down. So that is all for today, children. Please revise the swar से अहा तक and some words for that. Then numbers, अंक और संख्या. Okay, अंक 1 2 3 4. रंगों के नाम लाल पीला नीला. Okay, then फलों के नाम केला आम सेब. Then we learned सब्जियों के नाम आलू मटर फूल गोभी टमाटर. Then पालतू जानवर भेड़ बकरी कुत्ता बिल्ली घोड़ा एंड जंगली जानवर लाइक हाथी बाघ शेर गेंडा भालू. ओके, प्लीज रिवाइज ऑल दीज थिंग्स विच यू हैव स्टक इन योर scrapbook, or if you have not made it, now also you can make it. You will be having some books with animals in it, no, animals and all those things, my first word book, all those things. In that also you can learn all these words. Okay, you might even have in that book the things that you use at home. Kitchen में जो वस्तुएं आप उपयोग करते हैं ना, the things that you use in the kitchen, all of it you try to revise. We'll go for one more revision in the next week also about all, not these other things. We had learned names of flowers, we had names of tastes, is it not? Yeah, all those we have to revise one more time. We'll do that in the next week. Until then, bye bye, see you in the video.